Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. What is the sum of largest and smallest number which can be formed with the help of 5, 7, 2 and 8? The largest number formed with the help of this number is first largest, that is 8, 7, 5, 2, and smallest number, that is 2, 5, 7, 8. If we add these two, we get 0, 1, 3, carry 1, 3, 11, 11,330. So A is the right answer. Question number 2. If 0.545 is divided by 5, quotient is, so 0.545 by 5, we get 0.109. So answer is 0.109. So B is the right answer. Question number 3. Find the value of 4 plus 4.44 plus 44.4 plus 4.04 plus 444. So first 4, after that 4.44, after that 44.4, after that 4.04, after that 444, we add 8.12345, that is 20, 0 carry 2, 10, 0 carry 1, that is 5, 500.88. So A is the right answer. Question number 4. Which of the following is equivalent of 3 by 4? If we closely watch the option, all the option has percentage, so we have to convert this fraction into percentage. So we have to convert this fraction into percentage. So question number 4, that is 3 by 4, percentage, that is 75%. So B is the right answer. Question number 5. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 12 and 336 respectively. If one number is 84, the other is. So from formula we know that other number is LCM into HCF by one number, that is LCM 336, HCF 12 by 84. So 48. So B is the right answer. Question number 6. When 2 by 7 part of a drum is full, it can be filled by adding 35 liter more water. Then what is the capacity of the drum? So 6. If the capacity of the drum is 1, capacity of drum 1 part, 2 by 7 part full with water. So 1 minus 2 by 7, that is 5 by 7 part so 5 by 7 part is equal to 35 liter. One part is equal to 35 to 7 by 5, that is 49 liter. So capacity of the drum is 49 liter. C is the right answer. Question number 7. A man buy a cycle for rupees 1400, sell it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? From formula we know that selling price is CP into 100 minus loss percentage by 100, that is CP 1485 by 100. So 119, so 1190. So selling price of the cycle is 1190. C is the right answer. Question number 8. Mr. Anurag deposit an amount of rupees 56,500 to obtain a simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum for 3 years. What total amount Mr. Anurag get after end of 3 years? So simply we calculate it from formula, that is 8 principal 56,500, rate that is 12%, time that is 3 year. So interest equal to PTR by 100. We know that P 56 500, T 3 years, 12 by 100, that is 20,340. So amount is 56,500 plus 20,340, that is 48 76,840. So C is the right answer. Question number 9. One man or 3 boys can do a piece of work in 88 days. One man and 1 boy will do it in. So here 1 man and 1 boy together can do the work, but 3 boy and 1 man individually do the work in 88 days. So we replace 1 man by 3 boy. So 1 man and 1 boy. So we replace 1 man by boy, we get 3 boys plus 1 boys, that is 4 boys. So 3 boys can do the work in 88 days. 1 boy can do the work in 88 into 3 days, and 4 boys can do the work in 88 into 3 by 4, that is 22 into 366 days. So C is the right answer. Read the given information carefully and answer the questions. What is the total number of sold bananas during the given month? So in July that is 35, June that is 10, May that is 25, April that is 15, and March that is 30. So we add all, we get 5, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, it's 11, 115. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.